at Northville Lumber with Stu, and I'm really excited because we're going to talk about actually one of my brother's favorite products right behind us, Owens Corning Lumber. So Aiden's out there building decks, and this is a really unique product. Tell me a little bit more about what this is.
It is, Isabel. It's Owens Corning structural composite lumber. So what Owens Corning, the fiberglass insulation people, did was they came up with a structural lumber. The problem with products like Trex was that they weren't strong. It needed to be supported every 16 inches to carry the loads that you put in a residential application. This is just like lumber. You use this for joists. You use this for beams. They have posts. It's really fabulous stuff. We've got our inventory. We have white, we have black. It is also available in a couple of shades of brown and a couple of shades of gray. It comes in 2x12s, 2x10s, 2x8s, 2x6s, 2x4s, 4x4s, 6x6s. Use it just like wood. You can see pergola applications. You don't have to paint. You can see fascia board applications up to 20 feet long. You can do beams just like you would do in wood, posts just like you would do in wood, cut your stair stringers, miter your risers. One piece, unbelievably efficient. We see this product being used not only to frame decks, but we can use it as a pergola application, planter boxes, picnic tables, fences for your horse. You're only limited by your imagination.